Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what kind of additional settings you can find on Strava. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Strava, and after that if you click on the record, here will appear this this icon, and here you have several settings like the auto pause, the ride auto pause and run auto pause, which means that ride auto pause uses GPS to detect movement. Run auto pause detects the abrupt forces of running and is only suggested if you run, not walk or hike with your phone in hand or attached to your body. So yeah, these settings are really helpful. The audio cues, start stop pause, the distance, like for run every kilometer or every half kilometer, and the live segment notification. Uh, so yes, this is for the audio. Okay, I want to turn that off right now. And here is the live segments. Receive notification when you start and finish start and popular segments. Okay, the screen display, keep screen on, prevent the display from turning off during an activity. The time before timing, here are several options. The lock screen controls, etc. during an activity without having to unlock your phone. So these are also really helpful settings. And the sensors, right now there are no available sensors for me, and there is the running cadence not connected. So yeah, sorry. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.